Cyberbullying for Adults by Jordan Krizik. What is cyberbullying? Cyberbullying is any type of harassing, threatening, demeaning, or embarrassing another person online. Typically, this is done through mean comments, online rumors, and even sexual remarks. This is usually connected with appearance, intelligence, race, sexuality. Most common devices: cell phone, iPad, laptop. Technology on the rise. 93% of children ages 8 to 18 have computers at home. 66% have personal cell phones in which they would more likely text than talk. 76 own another multimedia device such as an iPod. 35% of bullies have sent a screenshot of someone's status or photo to laugh at them in a group chat. 25% have trolled someone on an online game. Cyberbullying by the numbers. How does the frequency of principal-reported cyberbullying compare between 2010 to 2016? Daily, weekly, 7.9 compared to 2016's of 12%. As you can see, throughout the 2016s, every category has increased a little bit. I would say for the never category in 2016, I feel a lot of individuals are not seeking help. They're not going to administration or teachers because if they feel if they go and get help, then that will put a bigger target on their back and more bullies will go and harass them. Cyberbullying legislation. As of January of 2015, 49 states, all but Montana, have enacted bullying prevention laws. In JS versus Bethlehem Area School District, this individual created a web page outside of school and was expelled from school. The court ruled the school had authorization to expel student in a clear disruption to the school environment. Even though the act was done outside of school, it still affected the school environment and the individuals in a school. So that is why you can still be expelled or suspended for acts outside of school. Top forms of cyberbullying. Exclusion. This could be with exclusion, but with us, Facebook chats or group text, harassment, outing, posting images without consent, poking fun of them on videos about YouTube, cyber stalking, attacking victims through email, frapping, logging onto another account and posing as them, fake profiles, dissing, trickery, trolling. This is done not only with students but also with professional athletes. There are people trolling the social webs at all hours of the day, and catfishing, stealing others' identities, and creating a fake person. Social media. Cyberbullying by the numbers. Instagram has a 42% of cyberbullying, Facebook 37%, Snapchat 31%, YouTube 10%, and Twitter 9%. Once it is placed on the internet, it is out there for good. It cannot be erased. There's always someone that can always pull back the information that you've deleted. Rumors or gossip, putting images in another's head, personal remarks that go on after an individual. That is the main definition of cyberbullying. Internet trolls are most active in social media. 38% observe trolling behavior on such platforms, while 23% have seen them frequently operate on video sharing websites. How to stop it. Help your students understand that they are not at fault. They are not the bad guy here. Document everything, every incident, every text message, every YouTube comment, every social media post. The more evidence you have, the easier it is to have the police put some criminals like cyberbullying and press charges against them. Change students' emails and also relay information to parents to get phone numbers changed as well. Parents can file complaints against the bully's number to get it blocked. Report threats of harm or inappropriate sexual messages to the police. In many cases, the cyberbullying attacks can be prosecuted by legal actions. School policy. The Board of Education prohibits bullying in any form of student, staff member, or parent toward a student or a staff member on or while using school property, in a school vehicle, or at school-sponsored activity or event. For the purpose of this policy, the term bullying shall have the meaning described in the Kansas law. Forms of training are available to students or teachers that don't really understand bullying or what are the ramifications of it. There are also many training websites or seminars to attend. Talk to your students. Monitor their time online. Talk to your students, ask them questions. If they feel they've ever been bullied before, ask them what happened, what the situation was, and what they need to do differently, or what they need to do about it. Encourage your students to speak up against cyberbullying. Spend time with your students. Really get to know them. And here are my resources.